So when we're getting on and off the ladder, this is the most dangerous portion of the ladder. One thing I like to do is come here and bring my foot kind of down here by the stabilizer, grab the hand ran here. Obviously, I've got a guy down at the bottom footing it also. I'm gonna grab the other side here. I'm gonna swing my leg across and put it on the ladder. Once I do that, I'll bring my other leg on, and now I'm gonna go underneath. So I'm always having 3 points of contact as I climb up and down this ladder like so. Obviously, we wanna have 3 rungs above, so that way we can, when we get to the top here, we can come up to the top of the roof. We can step over, make sure we get onto the roof. We might be on the pit chopper. This is not a very steep roof that we're working on, so it's a little bit easier. But obviously, if it is a steep roof, we got to be careful of this. And then we're going to just step over, and then we can start working off of this roof. So this is stepping on and off of the ladder is one of the most dangerous portions of getting on and off the ladder. This is also why it is important that we have 3 rungs above the roof to make sure that we are staying safe as possible.